In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily disable Facebook app without deleting it on your iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started, and first off, open up Settings, then head over to General, and then iPhone Storage. Once you are in here, just scroll down until you find the Facebook app, and that's where you can disable the app without deleting it. All you have to do is just hit at Offload App and then Offload App again. And what that will do, that will remove all app files from your iPhone. That may help you to free up some disk space, but it will keep all documents and data, including your login data and personal information. If we hop out Settings now, we can see that cloud icon next to Facebook app name. That means that this app is now offloaded, and if we change our mind, we can easily enable that app. We can do it right from here by hitting at Reinstall App, or we can just stop at Facebook app icon and it will automatically download all necessary files, and once the downloading process is complete, you will be able to use Facebook app as before without re-entering your login information. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.